Hey, hi guys. In the previous session, we have seen these 6 tools. In today's session, we are going to see Eclipse and IntelliJ. So for writing Python code on Eclipse, you need to install one plugin. For installing a plugin, you need to go to Help and Eclipse Marketplace. And you need to search here PyDev. In my case, PyDev is already installed. If in your case not installed, then you can install. Now what I'll do, I'll click on File, go to the New and click on this project. And under the project, you can see Maven project, Java project, right? Go down and you can see PyDev folder. Under the PyDev folder, you can see PyDev project. Click on Next. And here you need to provide project name. I can say Python sample project. What I'll do, I'll click on, I'm not able to click on next button and it is giving an error that is project interpreter not specified. So how we can solve this problem? I'll close it and we need to go preferences. Under preferences, you need to find out here PyDev. Under PyDev, you can see interpreters. Under interpreters, you can see Python interpreter. Click on it. So once you click on it, you can see here new button, right? Click on new. And now here we have multiple options. Browse for Python. So we need to click on this first one. And now we can set the path here. So I already on the same path. You need to select here Python exe path. Wherever available in your machine, you need to give the proper path of Python exe file. So if in my case, you can see this is a exe Python exe file, right? So I'll provide this path. I'll have to select here and then click on open. I'll have to provide here specific name. So I can say here Python 3.12.4 version and click on OK. You need to select all. We can select all. It is already selected all. We can click on OK. Now you can see location, right? Python exe location. And I have given some specific name. I'll click on apply and close. Something is going on at the bottom right hand corner. Let me click on it. You will have to wait until completed. It got completed, right? Now we can create a Python project. Again, you need to go to File. Again, navigate to Project. Click on Project. Try to find out PyDev folder. Under PyDev folder, you can extract and then select this PyDev project. Click on Next button. We can give project name. I'll give Python sample project. Interpreter, I can select Python 3.12.4. And now I can directly click on Finish button. See, my Python sample project got created, right? So this is the folder structure you can see. This is a system library, predefined, completions, force bulletins, and we have external libraries if you want to add in. right? And this is a Python 3.12 version. All the files are available under this, and we have this Python, right? Now what we can do, we can just right click on this project, go to the new, and now you can see we have multiple options, right? PyDev package, PyDev module, right? If you want to create a package, you can click on this. Otherwise, you can click on PyDev module. I'll click on PyDev module and I'll give some particular name. I'll give, so this is the source folder, just like in Java. And this is the package name. Package name I can give here sample package, and package name start with small letter. And this is the Python class name we can see. I'll click on finish button. We can accept it. Okay. Again, I'll select. So we have different module right here, but I'll select empty. By default, it is selected empty. You can click on OK button. Again, you can click on OK button. Now, see, this is a py file where you can write a program. So I can start writing a program, like print. I write here. I'm writing program on Eclipse. And for executing, either you can click on this run button, as you can right click on, go to the run as, and here you can see these many options, and but you need to click on this Python run. Once you click on Python run, you can see the output below. I'm writing program. If you want to type anything, you can type anything like A is equal to 10, B is equal to again 10, print A plus B. See, it is returning 20, right? So this is how you can write any kind of code in Eclipse, right? Now we can move on. Another tool, that is Intellij. So I'll tell you how to install Intellij. You can just go to Google and search here, download Intellij. Community version we need. I'll click on this first link. So if you go with this ultimate, it will cost you. You will have to buy the license. But if you go with this community edition, then it is a totally free of cost. So you can use this. I already have downloaded. You just, once you can click on it, right, it will automatically start downloading, right? Once it has downloaded, I'll show you. I already have downloaded. This is the Intellij. You just need to double click on it. Click on yes on the pop-up. Community edition is already installed. So I already have installed, but in your case, it might not be available. Then you can install it, right? I'll click on cancel. Right, I'll open it. Intellij. See, so this is a phrase. I don't have created any of the project. So if you want to create a project on Intellij, you just need to click on this new project and you can give the project name. I'll provide the project name, that is Python on Intellij. You can give any name, and folder location we can select here. So location I'll select. I already have selected new. So I think I should go with this only. I'll go with this. Whatever the location you want to choose, you can choose it, right? I'll click on create. See, project got created, but this is not a Python project, right? For the Python project, what you need to do, you need to click on this hamburger button, that is main menu. After that, go to the settings, and in settings, you can see plugins right here. Click on these plugins, and whatever the software you required, you can search it here. Let me search Python. So see here, Python, we have two versions. One is Ultimate and another one is Community Edition. So we can go with Community Edition because it is free of cost. Click on install. It will start installing. It is done, I believe. It has completed. Now you can click on OK button. It is running in the background at the bottom right hand corner. Installing plugin Python Community Edition. Python plugin got installed. Now what we can do, we can start writing a program. So you can see this is a folder structure. Now if we can right click on it, go to the new and click on Python file. See, we are able to see Python file because we have installed Python plugin, right? So you can create any of the project. You just need to have a Python plugin in your IntelliJ. Now we can directly click on Python file and we can give the Python file name. I'll give the Python file name is like sample Python file dot py. Now you can start writing program here. I'll type here print. It is asking configure Python interpreter. So let me tell you how you can navigate to configure the file, executable file. So first of all, you need to click on this hamburger button, that is main menu. Go to this project structure. And under this, you can see platform settings. Under platform settings, you can see SDKs, right? And here I can see Java 11, but we need to configure Python as well. And you can see this is the Python location where executable file is available. I'll select this and click on apply and OK. Right? Now it should go. I'll click on OK. I'll click on this project. I'll set. So instead of SDK, I'll select Python 3.12 and apply and OK. Could not find platform independent libraries prefix. So as you can see, I have given the name wrongly. Extension is wrong, right? I have given sample python file.y. See, so file extension is incorrect. I'll remove this. Let me create new project. Click on this project. And here you can see Python. You can click on Python sample project. I'll give the name. And now we can just click on create. So it is asking same window or new window. So I'll open in same window, this window only. See, Python project got created. Now we can You can see this is a right, you can see all the file, right? All the proper folder structure. See, this is a proper folder structure for this Python, right? Now we can right click on this project and click on Python file, and we can give the name test.py, click enter button. Is installing something here at the end. Let's wait for some time. It's done. Now we can start writing program. Print, and here we can write, this is my first line of code on IntelliJ. We can click on this run button. See, it has executed. If you want to type anything else, we can type here print. I will give here 10 into 20. Again, I click on run button. It's printing 200. So this is how you can run. Executing Python code on IntelliJ, what all you need to do, you just need to install IntelliJ in your machine, and after that go to this main menu and need to go to this plugins. You need to install the Python community version, and then after installing the plugin, you need to go to this folder project structure, and inside the project structure you need to select HDKS, and under the HDKS you need to select this Python. I already have selected a Python, right? And after that what you need to do, again go to this project structure and then select this project. You can select here Python. So these are the basic settings which you need to do. Thank you for watching this video.